This is my Eid gift. Hello everybody, Eid Mubarak. So this is my Eid gift.
What is this?
A slushy maker.
Slushy maker.
Yeah.
Are you gonna make it today?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make a slush today?
Yeah, even tomorrow.
Okay, let's make it then. So what do you have to do to make a slush?
So you need to put it in the fridge for 5 or 6 hours, and then you need to squeeze it, and then first you have to pour the juice in, your favorite juice, and then you squeeze it, and then you just enjoy your smoothie.
Okay, let's get started. Let's make it now.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold? Okay, what flavor do you like, Rayan?
Cola.
Okay, you're gonna make cola today? Cola
Yeah.
slush? Okay.
Yeah, I wanted to make Fanta, but... Oh, look at that. What is it?
Little bit.
Little bit.
No, a little bit more. A little bit more. More. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now what you gonna do?
Squeeze it.
Okay, squeeze it then. Wait, let me close the lid. So, is it ready, Rayan?
Yes.
How does it taste?
There's a Coca-Cola.
Looks very nice. You know you can drink it too.
What?
You know you can drink it too.
Water?
I mean, you can drink this slush too. You know how?
Yeah, I know. Like that. Thank you for watching. Bye.